Did you gain that quarantine 15? Are you unmotivated to work out at home or outside? Well, if you answered yes to any of these two questions, please stay tuned. Before you get started, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss anything ever. Today is Monday. Happy Monday. I am going to be I usually do some type of high intensity training, high interval training workout. Today I'm going to be doing kickboxing, which can get very intense, but I love it. So stay tuned. I'm at the halfway point, and this is one of my rests. I gotta check in. Woo! Hey, almost there. Just finished. So today's workout was 9 times 200 meters, and you have to run the 200 meters at your 5K pace. So I'm inching back up to my old 5K pace. We're getting there. I did a lot better today. I was about 20 seconds faster than last week, so I'm happy about that. Today is Saturday. I'm heading out on my run. So we'll see how long I'll do today. The weather's pretty good, which is a good thing. So I just finished. I did a little over 3 miles, which I'm proud of that. So I did about 2.75 a couple of mornings ago. So I'm just trying to build back up my distance. I'm not concerned about my speed as yet. Just trying to get my body used to running again. So I'm kind of happy with my progress. My goal is to do a little bit more every time I run, which I did today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this was motivating and inspiring for you. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything. Please remember to also head over to my other YouTube channel, Meatless Mondaze, and like, subscribe, and comment also. Bye.